Hi everyone. Today let us discuss about Kushinagar because recently an international airport has been inaugurated by our Prime Minister, and because of this place is in news, we have to learn about this particular place because this is also important in terms of Buddhism. This is a place which is included in the Buddhist circuit and is also very important in the life of Buddha because this is where Buddha spent his last time. This is the death place of Buddha. Okay, so I told you that this is a part of Buddhist circuit. Actually, we have different circuits as a part of a program which is known as Swadesh Darshan scheme. Okay, based on this, people will be able to visit the entire India, which is categorized into 13 circuits. And these 13 circuits are, one is Buddhist circuit, second one is Northeastern Indian circuit, third one is Coastal circuit, fourth one is Himalayan circuit, fifth one is Krishna circuit, sixth one is Desert circuit, seventh one is Eco circuit, then 8th one is wildlife circuit, 9th one is tribal circuit, 10th is rural circuit, 11th is spiritual circuit, 12th is Ramayan circuit, and last one is heritage circuit. Okay, so here you can see the Buddhist circuit. So as a part of this Swadesh Darshan scheme, the government is developing this Buddhist circuit. Okay, so in this, they will be improving the transportation facilities in order to help the tourists or the visitors to this area. So as a part of that, this international airport has been inaugurated in this Kushinagar area. So what we have to focus is that we should know which all are the places which is very much related with the Buddha, and also we should learn all the places included in the Buddhist circuit. In this Buddhist circuit, they have included Lumbini, Kapilavastu, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, Rajgir, Nalanda, then Kaushambi, Shravasti, Vaishali and Kushinagar. Okay, Lumbini is the birthplace of Buddha, which is in Nepal. Kapilavastu is the place where Buddha spent his early life, and this is in UP. Then Bodh Gaya, where you will be knowing, this is where Buddha got his enlightenment, in Bihar. Then Sarnath, where he served his first sermon, which is in UP, Varanasi. Then Rajgir, Nalanda, where he served several sermons. Then Kaushambi is in UP and Shravasti is in UP, but these two are important when related to life of Buddha, but nothing special is given regarding this. Okay, then Vaishali, this is the place where Buddha served his last sermon. This is also in Bihar. Okay, and the final one is Kushinagar. This is the death place of Buddha, and which is in UP. So just know where these places are located and also understand what is the importance of these places like Lumbini, then Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, Kushinagara, etc. Okay, so keep all these places in mind and study all these points. That's all. Thank you.